Assalamu alaikum students of class 6. I hope you are all fine. In New Oxford Modern English Workbook 6, let's complete the exercise work of the poem. Page 29. Part C. If. In this part, we're going to learn the sentences which have the word if, or we can say which have some kind of condition. You all know that sometimes we utter such sentences, हम कुछ ऐसे sentences बोलते हैं that starts with if, like ये sentences अगर से start होते हैं, अगर ये हो जाता या अगर के बाद कोई condition रख दी जाती है for the next sentence. Here we have the first question. Did you enjoy the poem in your textbook? हमने हमारी textbook में poem पढ़ी है. You will notice that the two stanzas each have a main idea. What are these ideas? हमने देखा था कि पोम के दो stanzas थे और दोनों stanzas में दो अलग बातें हो रही थीं. So we can say that each have a main idea. Let's see what were those ideas. If you plant and look after it. अगर आप इसे बोते हैं और उसकी हिफाजत करते हैं, उसकी देखभाल करते हैं. Here they are talking about the twig. टहनी की बात हो रही है. The plant will survive. पौधा survive कर जाएगा, बच जाएगा. And the second main idea was if you throw it into a closet. कि अगर आप इसे एक क्लोजेट में फेंक देते हैं, इसकी हिफाजत नहीं करते, it will shrivel. ये सुकड़ जाएगा, ज़ाया हो जाएगा, waste हो जाएगा. Question 2. Complete these sentences in any way you like. नीचे दिए गए sentences को हमने complete करना है. Like if I take it, अगर मैं ये लेती हूँ, it will help me, ये मेरी मदद करेगा. If you break it, अगर आप इसे तोड़ते हैं, you cannot make it again, आप इसे दोबारा नहीं बना सकते. If they come now, अगर वो अब आते हैं, we can complete this task, हम ये काम मुकम्मल कर सकते हैं. If you go now, अगर आप अब जाते हैं, it will be too late, ये बहुत देर हो जाएगी. If you arrive late, अगर आप लेट पहुंचते हैं, they will have to wait, उन्हें इंतज़ार करना पड़ेगा. If you water the plant, अगर आप पौधे को पानी देते हैं, it will grow well, ये बेहतर नशोनुमा पाएगा. If you tell her, अगर आप उसे बताते हैं, she will never refuse, वो कभी मना नहीं करेगी. So this is how you can complete these sentences. You can use some other phrases to complete these sentences. Question 3. In the following sentences, refer to something that did not happen. Complete the sentences using if and would. नीचे दिए गए sentences में उस चीज़ की तरफ रेफ़र करना है या उस काम की तरफ इशारा करना है जो कि नहीं हुआ, और इन sentences को if और would का इस्तेमाल करते हुए complete करना है. For example, if you had gone there, you would have seen it. कि अगर आप वहाँ गए होते, आपने उसे देखा होता. It means कि वो वहाँ नहीं गए, इसलिए उन्होंने कुछ नहीं देखा. Let's start completing these sentences. If he had eaten the fruit, अगर उसने फल खाए होते, he would never have felt weakness, वो कभी कमज़ोरी महसूस ना करता. If you had told her, she would have followed the correct or right direction. C. If we had known, we would never have sent books. If he had money, he would have helped us. अगर वो पैसे रखता या उसके पास पैसे होते, वो हमारी मदद करता. If we had looked after it, it would not have died. If we had watered the plant, it would have been better. Part D. Working with words. Question 1. Put the following words into alphabetical order. नीचे दिए गए इन वर्ड्स को हमने alphabetically लिखना है, alphabetical order में लिखना है. But as you all can see कि ये तमाम words ही F से start होते हैं. It means we need to jump on to the next letter. Next letter again सब में I है. Let's consider the third letter, that is S in all these words. Fourth letter is also the same in each word. It's the fifth letter which is different. So हम fifth letter से start करेंगे और उसको alphabetically लिखना शुरू करेंगे. और अगर वो भी सेम हो जाता है तो हम 6 लेटर की तरफ बढ़ेंगे. दिस इज़ हाउ वी कैन पुट ऑल दीज वर्ड्स इनटू अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर. सो ये ऑर्डर कुछ ऐसा होगा: फिशेबल, फिश्ड, फिशर, फिशरीज, फिशरमैन, फिशरी, fishing and fishy. Question 2. Unscramble these words which are all nouns. Here we have these scrambled words. We need to unscramble these or rearrange these words. Like the first letter is present, B, tortoise, C, gift, D, expression, E, fingers, F, string, G, money, H, overcoat. Here we had these pictures too. These pictures are actually the clues they have given us. इन क्लूज से आप अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं कि कौन से वर्ड्स उन्होंने हमें ऊपर दिए हुए हैं. एज दे आर ऑल स्क्रैम्बल्ड तो उनको गेस करना कुछ मुश्किल है. पार्ट ई, प्रोवर्ब्स. पार्ट ई इज़ अबाउट प्रोवर्ब्स. लेट्स सी what are they asking over here. The words in the proverbs are not in the correct order. Rewrite them correctly. So here we have these proverbs, but they are not in correct order. Like deep waters still run. The correct proverb is still waters run deep. Now I'll read the one which is correct. An eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth. Actions speak louder than words. Better late than never. On page 32, question 2. Group the following words according to their rhyming sounds. There are 2 words which do not rhyme with the others. Find them. So इस बॉक्स में दिए गए तमाम वर्ड्स को इनकी राइमिंग साउंड्स के अकॉर्डिंग हमने ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड करना है. Here we have these 4 groups A, B, C and D. Here you can see that group A has all those words which sound same. Plate, date, great, late. In group B, post, host, toast, most. All of these words rhyme. Group C, hand, and, brand, sand. And group D, dry, high, sky, sigh. And those 2 words which do not rhyme with the other words, those are lost and bleat. They have the same vowels like some other words, but their sound is different. Question 3. Complete the following by using the most appropriate words suggested. Again, नीचे दिए गए sentences में blanks को उन words के साथ fill करना है जो कि ऊपर की words के साथ rhyme करे. Like a diner while dining at Crewe found quite a large mouse in his stew. This is the most appropriate word than all the other ones. Said the waiter, don't shout, and wave it about. There was a young farmer of Leeds who swallowed 6 packets of seeds. Let's move on to question 4. Add a rhyming phrase to the following. Let's add rhyming phrases to these group of words. Small boat will float. They cried and died. So neat my feet. Will they not stay? The park is dark. In the city lived a kitty. So that was all about the exercise of the poem in your workbook. This is it for today's lecture. I hope you understood all of these things. Complete your exercises and note these on your books. That was all for today. Thank you so much, students, and Allah Hafiz.